In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a phone tree list if you have a phone tree unit and are using it at your church. Now, phone tree is simply a piece of hardware that does a calling list for you, so it can call all your members and play a message back for them. And depending on which model you get, it can also give them options to choose from. For instance, if they are in youth ministry, they can press 1. In children's ministry, press 2 and get a totally different option. Our software works with PhoneTree, and we'll make a list for them to use and for PhoneTree to actually call from. So the first thing you need to do is do your search or your ministry profile, and you can go into Quick Ministry Profile and create that, and that will organize out your list to sort from. And you could even go in and say, based on different events that you have set up, and say, show me all the people that are in any of these different events, because I want to do a PhoneTree message to all of them. And then use profile without saving. It shows me those individuals. So now I can go to print and click on the PhoneTree button. And from here, I'll make my PhoneTree list. Now, depending on how your PhoneTree is set up, you'll need to do it one of two ways. If the PhoneTree is attached to the computer, you can tell the computer or Inspire where the PhoneTree software directory is, and that will be the main directory that the software PhoneTree, it actually stores these files. So you'll need to browse out to that and tell it where it's at, and then you can save this file to that. Otherwise, in most cases, it's not going to be attached to the computer. So you'll click on this option and then click on Next, and it creates your PhoneTree list for you and gives you the phone numbers and tells you the type next to it. Now, say for instance you're sitting here, you're like, there's one person that would be great to have this message, or you maybe even want to put yourself in there to make sure that the message went through. You can click on Insert and add manually into this list. It does not add this person into the Inspire Youth Assistant or Children's Assistant database, but it does add them into this PhoneTree list. So we could say, for instance, I wanted to add myself, and I could just put something in like this and choose OK, and it would add me into that list, and now I would receive that phone message as well. After you've done that, you just click on Make Phone List, and it completes that export for you, and then you can go move that over to the PhoneTree software.